Hi and welcome to another product demo from fobfix.com. Today we're going to be showing you our Corsa D key programmer. This is Corsa D 14 plate. It's got two keys. This one, show you there, this one unlocks the vehicle. There you go. So this one unlocks the vehicle, and if we pop that in the ignition, the security light on here is that little one there. It's a little orange key in a car, and it goes off, and then that would allow us to, I'll pop the clutch down, start the vehicle. That's fine. The other one on the ring is this one, slightly different looking. It's not the flip blade, it's a fixed blade, but they're both PCF 7941 chips. This one does nothing. When we put it in the ignition and turn it on, the little again, that little orange light with the car and the key, that flashes just to show us that the key's not recognised, and if we crank the ignition, nothing happens. Right, standard FobFix programmer. We'll check how many keys are programmed first. That's done with the ignition on and the radio on. All jobs on these Corsa Ds need both on, because a security pin code's needed to do programming and deleting of keys, and we pull that pin code from the radio. If you have got an aftermarket radio, unfortunately this programmer won't work because it can't pull that pin code. But in this case we have. So all the switches down. Now the OBD socket on these Corsas is just in front of the gear stick, and it's just in that little recess there. Now it's set at an angle, so it can be a bit of a pain to get the programmer plugged in, but we'll try our best. So ignition on, radio on, all the switches down. Let's check how many keys are programmed, if we can. There we go. 1, 2 green beeps. Shows us 2 keys are programmed. There we go. So what we'll do is, the key we want to program is in the ignition, and we will put switch 4 up to go into add key mode. As we see, little, if we can get both of these in, I'll try. Little light on the dash is flashing away. So if we get that, one blue beep for add key mode. I'll see the programmer flashing, and if we watch the little orange light on the dashboard, goes off. 3 green beeps to say 3 keys are now programmed. We can remove the programmer, turn the ignition off, turn the ignition back on. Again, keep an eye on that security light. That now goes off. Drop the clutch. We can start the car, and that new key now locks and unlocks. So does the old one. Happy days. See you in the next one.